Hi, you're watching Yoga with AJ, and today we are going to do a few poses, very simple movements as well to help you release anxiety or stress. When you are under stress, the entire body goes into flight or fight mode, which means it's either getting ready to fight an enemy or run away from something that seems like a threat. And this is an animal instinct left over from our caveman days. So when we were cavemen, probably the threat would have been a predator trying to attack us or a natural calamity like an earthquake that we have to run away from. But the same stress and the same stress response comes up when perhaps you're having an issue with your boss or you're having trouble paying the bills. And the tension, the stress gets stored in various parts of our bodies. So we're going to do something very simple and relaxing to release tension from those parts of the body. For example, the neck and the shoulders, the stomach and the diaphragm, the hips and the legs. So let's get started. So we'll start with our feet hip width apart, just below each hip, and inhale, bring the arms up. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, slowly release, keep the knees soft, relax the body. If you need to be higher up, stay higher up. Inhale, stretch only your head up. Nice deep breath. Exhale, breathe all the air out. Relax the body. Inhale to come up again. Bring the hands together. Look up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Let's try that again. Inhale. Nice deep breath. Exhale, slowly relax and fold forward, keeping the knees soft. Inhale, pick up the head, lift up the chest a little bit. Exhale, relax. Let's come back up. Inhale, bring the arms up. Nice deep breath. Exhale, relax the arms. One last time. Inhale. Deep breath. Listen to your breath. Exhale. Use the entire out breath to slowly go down. Inhale. Pick up the head and the chest. Exhale. Relax. Inhale. Come up one last time. Exhale. Relax the arms. And we come to the center of the mat and sit down for a while. We're just going to focus on our breathing. So rest your hands however you like. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let's do that 3 more times. If you feel like, close your eyes while doing it. Inhale through the nose. Two more times. Pause for a moment, bring your awareness to your neck, and we're going to make small half circles with the neck. So just moving the chin towards your shoulder, right or the left, any which side you want to start from. And then go to the other side, gently moving. And as you do that, try and remember what helps you to relax. For some people, it's lying down on a nice, comfortable bed. For other people, it's being in nature. Some relax with music or friends. And come back to the center with your head. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your stomach, and just allow yourself to breathe. Focusing on your breath. And then closing your eyes, imagine a place where you feel relaxed. Continue to breathe nicely. It could be a place in your imagination, an imaginary place. Or it could be a place you've been to before. It could even be your room, where you feel very, very good. And slowly relaxing your arms, taking them out to the sides, and we're going to curl the fingers in. So you bring all the fingers in towards the pads. So where the finger starts, the pad, you draw each finger in and gently press down. You take thumbs up as if you're asking for a ride on a highway, and we're just going to take the thumbs back as far back as you can without straining the shoulders, and then back again the other way. So back and back, and we're releasing tension from the shoulders as we do this. Continue to breathe. just normally. Maybe just 3 or 4 more times. And slowly relax. Opening up your hands as if you're throwing water from your fingers, sending energy out through your hands. Relaxing the hands. Sometimes when we are tense, we tend to move the hands into fists and we want to relax them. Moving the fingers out as if you're throwing water from them, and just take a quick shoulder roll. Inhale, exhale. We'll do 2 more of them. Inhale again, exhale as you relax. And slowly moving onto all fours. So imagine your place where you feel comfortable and relaxed, and try to be one with that feeling of relaxation. What is it about that place that's relaxing? And then taking the knees hip width apart, stretching the arms forward. Take them as far forward as you can, keeping the hips up, and just rest the forehead down, relaxing the shoulders. We're in puppy pose, and this puppy has been running around all day. This puppy is tired and it wants to rest. It's falling asleep in puppy pose. We're going to stay there for 5 to 8 deep breaths. Every time you inhale, let the abdomen expand. Maybe just 2 more breaths there in puppy pose. And slowly look up. Slowly come back onto your elbows, turn over and come onto your back. If your back feels good just that way in Shavasana, relax the legs, relax the arms, relax the shoulders, and see, as you scan through your body, are you holding tension anywhere in your body? You don't have to keep the arms and the legs straight. You can keep them relaxed however you like. Place one hand, any one hand, on your belly button, on your navel, and focus on breathing by allowing the abdomen to expand when you inhale. And if this feels good, you can bring the other hand onto your chest, allowing both to move as you inhale, the stomach as well as the chest. Try breathing out through the nostrils, but if it feels really good and you want to relax your jaw, you can inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Open the mouth wide to relax the jaw. One more time. Continuing to do that abdominal breathing in Shavasana. And bringing your focus into your toes now. Into your feet and your heels and your ankles. Allowing these parts of your body to rest and relax. Bring your awareness into your calves, your knees, the backs of your thighs, the fronts of your thighs, all the way up into your hip joint, and allow your legs to relax completely. Twisting the hands, relaxing the hands, raising the shoulders, relaxing the shoulders. Bring your awareness into your shoulders, your neck and your face, relaxing your eyes, your ears, your nose and your mouth. And then just staying in that Shavasana for as long as you like. So it would be best if you could perform everything we did today in sequence, but sometimes it's not practical, it's not possible because you're outside somewhere. In that case, you can do everything in a modified way. Just inhale, roll your shoulders back, exhale and relax into your chair. or just practice the abdominal breathing that we did, the deep breath in the stomach and the chest, and that will help you to calm down as well. I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay connected to yourself and remember to stay calm.